Disrupt your process and create something new with the Sol 45 and Sol 22 lenses. These fun, creative lenses give visual artists a new way to express themselves. Sol lenses are fixed f3.5 lenses that tilt, allowing the user to move the spot of focus around the frame, surrounded by smooth blur and bold bokeh. Sol 45 is a 45mm lens for Canon, Sony, Pentax, Fuji, and Nikon. Sol 22 is a 22mm lens for micro four thirds only and works on Panasonic and Olympus cameras. All of our lenses are manual focus lenses, and if you haven't already set up your camera to shoot with the Lensbaby, you'll want to go back and watch our Lensbaby Basics video. With Sol, it's as easy as tilt, focus, shoot. Out of the box, your Sol lens will focus in the center of your composition. To move that area of focus around the frame, rotate the largest outermost ring away from the locking symbol. Then, tilt the lens in the direction you'd like to focus. Next, rotate the frontmost ring to bring your subject into focus. Then shoot. Sol lenses have a secondary creative feature called bokeh blades. These blades sit out of the way of the lens. Simply move them in front of the lens to create texture in your bokeh. The textured bokeh effect will be most noticeable when you have bright points of light in the out of focus areas in your image. You can also rotate the blades in any direction to change the orientation of the in-camera bokeh texture. As with all Lensbaby lenses, it can be helpful to bracket your focus. Take a shot where it looks sharp, then rotate the focus ring back and forth a small amount and take a few more shots. At least one of those shots will be in focus. Shooting in live view can also help you focus. Just zoom into the center of your image and adjust your focus and shoot. Or turn on your focus peaking in your camera to help you see what's sharp. Whatever your passion, Sol lenses will help you capture familiar scenes in a new and exciting way, allowing you to disrupt your process and tell a new story.